All right. I didn't realize that the microphone was muted. Um, so here's what we got going on. We've got this tile puzzle. We have a dark mode, but what I'm gonna do is stop with this project and then create a new project or open a new project. I've already created that. It's gonna be slide puzzle new theme. And so in this one, what I'm going to be working on is I'm going to be working on yeah. This one probably isn't even going to I want to have it live, but there's like construction going on with one of my neighbors, so if you do join, I'm sorry. I feel bad for you. But I do want to have this documented so I can go back and reference it later. So for this one, we're just going to create our own custom. Okay. And let's go ahead. On the puzzle page, we're going to delete all 3 of these. Or at least delete this. And that's actually something to note that I've got to do in the video is alter the logic in puzzle. Shuffle puzzle, and we want to add or is. Okay, so let's run this, and it should only have dash tar. Okay, and all it has is dash tar. Oh, that's weird. It still has. It still has the simple theme on load because it's the original, but I deleted it from the menu. So what we're going to do in this one is we're going to start designing this. Which is kind of just like a kid's little, I don't even know how to describe it, just a little puzzle for kids. Kind of the thing that made me think of wanting to do this is the game Whale Trail. Which I put too much time into. And so now I just want to make something similar, but similar theme for this puzzle challenge. So let's go back up, keep the simple theme. And we're just going to keep it the way that it is. But we are going to get rid of dash tar. So it's just the simple theme. Okay, and simple is the one that's selected. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is just delete this menu. So I want to see what happens if I delete it like that. Nope. Okay, let's not do that. Oh, whoops. Okay, so, oh, because that's the block. You need the block. Here's the build. Layout builder, stack, single child scroll, box, header, puzzle sections. Let's go to puzzle header. And then I am going to puzzle menu. Let's just delete that. Yeah, I feel like this isn't working for some reason. Oh, because I'm looking at medium. Hey. Good to see you again. Sorry if there's like banging and stuff. There's construction going on, but today I'm gonna be really digging into the customization of this design. So if you're interested in that, stick around. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is we'll start with the puzzle. Let me do Okay, let's go to downloads, apps. I guess we can do it this way. Let's do cloud tile. And I need to put this in helpers? No. Layout, models, puzzle, simple, theme. Layout, model. Okay, I know that within, is it puzzle page that prefetches all the all the images? I know that if I go into simple, I can find the images. So if I go into simple theme, it should say assets, images, audio. Oh, because I was looking in lib. Here it is. Images, dash tar. So we're going to create a new directory, call it tile. Call it tile, and then within tile, we're going to have cloud tile. So and we're probably also going to Photoshop a darker version. But that's a link worth saving. Okay. So we have that image saved. Now it's time to map it onto our thing, onto our tile. So let's close out cloud tile. Now the simple theme, no. Simple puzzle layout delegate. If I go down, there's a tile builder. Simple puzzle tile. Build text button style from primary puzzle colors white. Okay, so now what I need to look into is the difference between the properties and the text buttons of Dashitar and Simple, and that should give me insight into how they style their backgrounds as pictures. So okay, I shouldn't have deleted Dashitar. And I also don't know how to. Oh, cool. So with Dashitar, you can see each of these is its own image. With Simple, that's not the case. So I need to figure out how to add a tile like this on top. So we're going to start by going into Dashitar. So let's close out assets. We're done with that for now. We only want to look in library. And here's Dashitar. Here's widgets. Puzzle board, puzzle tile. So Dashitar puzzle tile. Final puzzle state. Single ticker provider mixin. So let's start way at the bottom. That's typically how this goes. Expose, init state, puzzle tile state. Single ticker provider mixin. Okay. Okay, so they're responsive. Final theme context. Select Dashitar block state theme. Movement duration. Okay, so it's an icon button. Let's go back to simple. This is a text button. But I need to make sure. Let's see if I can delete it and just create. So for now, I'm going to cut this icon button. And then I'm going to go in Okay, so this is foreground color. Wait, no, there's an easier way to do this. So this style width property is really helpful. Text button. Okay, no. So that didn't work. So back to that. Okay, so let me see what its on pressed is. Let's do this for now. State dot puzzle status. This is cool because I get to kind of get a better understanding of blocks without having. So if it's incomplete, we're going to return context, read read puzzle block dot add tile tap, and we're going to pass it the tile. Else null. Not a huge fan of null. Oh no. Image dot asset and the let me see how Dashitar does it. Image asset theme asset. Okay. Let me think. Puzzle tile. Okay. Simple puzzle layout. I think it's just gonna be asset in jail. Okay, so we got it working. Hey Omar, good to see ya. We got it working in a way. We just have to get the image path right. So, yeah, this is for the Flutter challenge. So, I'll show you the other thing that I made. So I just figured out how to create my own custom themes. So I'm going to make a YouTube tutorial on that pretty soon. Oh, whoops. That sucks. So I created a custom theme and then I deleted it to create a tutorial. I haven't created the tutorial, so I can't show you, but I made like a dark mode. Is basically what it boils down to. There's code that they give you for the competition that pretty much gives you the entire puzzle working. And then it's just up to you to actually get it. So this is the code that they give you. You have a simple puzzle design that you can build off of. And then there's Dashitar, where when you start, it shuffles it, and then there's these smooth kind of sliding transitions. But yeah, that's all the code that they give you, which is awesome, because that means all you have to do is make it look good, which is the easy part. But yeah, so I'm just going through right now. I'll show you. I've got this kind of design that I'm going to try it where it's kind of like a kid's game, little clouds, that kind of stuff. And then hopefully that'll teach people everything that they need to know to like get customizing their thing. So I'm gonna keep going on that. I'm trying to make the tiles little clouds and it is not working. So good slide puzzle. I gotta remember how to do paths. I'll see how they do it. Dashitar. Theme. Dash asset for tile. Dash asset directory. Oh, okay, that's how you do it. Simple. Okay, you don't need this. Okay, and then it's let's rerun it. All right, I actually just realized I totally forgot about an appointment I had, so I gotta go. Thanks for watching, guys.